Yes, she at work.
Alright. So me now go sit down and babysit. Me now do no babysit work. You have daycare. So me go carry the baby go to the daycare place and she a work, me a work.
Yeah, she told me say at work she gets so me say alright. Make sure
Well,
go
me
on
hear
up.
say she don't want place name Dead End. I say place name Dead End, Dead End, Dead End. Me hear say she there. Dead End.
Wait.
I want club round there.
What kind of club?
Me no know what kind of club you know. I don't know, but me hear say she run there dance go.
No, wait, Miss Gigi. You can't say that.
And me can't say that. I hear me here.
You
Me
can't.
hear.
No, but she probably that's why she not even come. Probably because she a work in a walk club. Probably that's why she not come. But me not worry myself. Me and her good right now. Me and her alright. Me when she come back, everything go alright.
I hear me go on you do for me. You see? If you hear from her, tell her say